Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another movement unboxing. I got two watches this time, and one of them is for me and one was for my boyfriend. I gave it to him on Valentine's Day. Let's start by talking about my watch. So the watch I got was this one right here, and it was called Eloise. And yes, I did get my nails to match my watch for this video. Just being extra. So again, I talked about this in my last video. I really love their boxes. Like, I'm kind of obsessed with them. And I decided what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to throw it away, it's so nice. I decided I'm gonna keep these and use them as drawer organizers, because these would look so good in your drawer with your watch in here, and then that way you can keep all the little extra pieces all organized. Can you just imagine like 9 of these in your drawer, like perfectly matching? Love it. Love that idea. So Eloise comes from one of Movement's recent releases from the Duet collection, and all the watches on there are based off of men's style classic watches with the thick band. They come in colors like gold, black, more of like a rose gold, and then they do have 3 of them that have leather bands. I don't know if you can see it on here, but there's 3 subdials on here. All the watches in the Duet collection have those 3 subdials. Movement's inspiration for the Duet collection is the Power Era dress with men's classic case. This watch is a little bit smaller just for female wrist, and it's 38 millimeters versus men's watches that are 42 millimeters. And I just think it looks so good for business wear. I'm gonna put it on really quick. Ooh, look at that. Okay, all right. That just looks really good to me. I don't know, I love it. It's one of my favorite watches right now. And then when I put it away, it's gonna look so good in its box. The watch that I chose to get for my boyfriend is the Eclipse watch. So it has the black face, it has 2 subdials in it, and it's the 42 millimeters. I really like this band a lot. I think that's really cool. So it's stainless steel. I believe this one that I have on is stainless steel as well. Just very nice, very classy. He actually wears this to work every day since I got it for him for Valentine's Day, so I had to like steal it back from him so I could do this video. When we first unboxed this watch for my boyfriend and put it on him, it was kind of hard to figure out this little clip-on thing, but once he got the hang of it, it was actually really easy to do. So fair warning, if you do get these, it is kind of tricky to find out how to secure these watches. But then once you get the hang of it, they're very secure and they're good to go. So if you guys have never bought anything from Movement before, it was started in 2013 by 2 guys who decided to drop out of college and pursue their dreams, making watches, and look how far they've come. So Movement is all about go-getters, dreamers, inspiring people. They're about adventure and travel, and I just like that. It's really fun. All their watches are really chic and clean, and they're just really nice. They also sell a bunch of accessories. So they sell sunglasses, they do UV glasses for like when you look at your screens. They do, I know they have rings for men. I haven't seen any for females. They do bracelets, necklaces, but just like accessories. So if you are interested in Eloise or Eclipse, then you can click my link below and get 15% off of your purchase. Other than that, thank you so much for watching my video.